might get a...
Sing it, girl.
Baby, we found love right
Yes.
where we are.
Yes, sing it.
When my head is all gone, but the memories.
Here we go. One step, I run around in circles and up the unicycle. Here we go. First step, first clap.
A Christchurch train. What's going on? Huh?
Stephen and Tom. Okay, Stephen, can you take your bottom hand off for me? Perfect. What I'm going to do, Tom, is I'm going to put my right foot on the right pedal. As I do that, reach around the back of my leg, grab back onto the pole. Whatever you do, don't grab my leg. It's weird. French. So if we're both that comfortable, you just lean away a bit. Cool, thank you. Okay. And it's, yep, no, that's. Okay. You guys do care. Going for the second pedal. Sorry, that was unnecessary. It's just a little bit funny for that guy over there. Cool. If you can just take your hand off for me, just reach around the back. Cool, perfect. Okay, you guys are doing really well. Just at this point.
He's alright now. He wasn't too good.
How are you? This is paradise for them. Paradise. All the foods. That's another little vlog.
Would you guys like a weekly of chips? Fries. Do you want a burger? Only over here, sweetheart. Two little fries. They have your name. Nicola.
Tyler,
Daddy's got to get a pie on the way out.
you enjoying your chips? What did it taste like? I'm vlogging, it's a video. Say something.
Hi.
How are you enjoying your chips? You enjoying them?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Can I have a chippy?
Okay.
I'm looking for a big one.
You ask the guy for another tomato sauce. I think we meant to pay for the
What kind of food is it? What is this?
Then you have to pay for the tomato.
I'm not sure.
What is this?
Avocado on hash browns. So there's a hash brown underneath. And there's avocado and hummus.
Hi, how you doing?
Yep, the recycle, that can go to the recycling counter. Mediterranean food, but look at the shape of those.
Plays music. The tramway. Old car.